Welcome to the BIP Traveling Channel. The real adventure begins here. Hello everyone. We are going on vacation to Chiang Mai, Thailand, and we left the house about 10 p.m. on Friday, and we arrived at Chiang Mai around 6 a.m. and we try to stop at the first place called Maeya Waterfall, and we are still finding it, so we'll be there shortly. So stay tuned. I'll take you to the adventure of the Chiang Mai. So right now we are going toward Maeya Waterfall through the local highway. I am speeding up to the 225%, so we're going there faster on your visualize, so we don't have to waste any space on the clips, and you're not gonna miss much on the drive during the local street here. Once we get to the Maeya waterfall, then I will slow down and let you enjoy the scene. All right. Okay, this is the entrance of the Maeya waterfall. We are going to take a hike over there because the car is not allowed. So we're gonna walk and park the car right here, and we're gonna walk. There's some small view around there, up there. A little table here. That's where we came from, and we're going up there. They're all the way up there already. And here it said Namto Maeya Waterfall, 400 meters. You gotta walk 400 meters more up there. 400 meter is almost half a kilometer, which is 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter, is therefore half kilometer is 500 meters, so we have to walk about almost half kilometer uphill and downhill to get to waterfall. Once we did that, then we gonna have to walk back with the same distance in a total of 1 kilometer, I guess, after we wandering around. 300 meters more. And here we are. This is the fall, whereas not the actual fall yet. I think it's kind of pretty, so I took a little picture for you to see. The sign says the waterfall is yours. The service is ours. That's for the national park employees. And the tree is our friend. That's what the sign said a while ago. And be careful, slippery rock. We had arrived here around 7 a.m. So there is no tourist arrived here yet. So we have a whole place by ourselves. Only the person here was the park cleaning person. He blowing the leaves and everything, cleaning up to get ready for the tourists to arrive. Of course, today is Saturday, so you're gonna be jam packed later on once everybody got up and get here. View point over here. Oh, sister, that's why I said watch out for a little rock. When it's raining, this rock will be a little slippery. Right here. I can walk through there. Kind of wet, so there's got a little bridge made of bamboo here. I'm gonna walk through it. I have the reel over here so I can grab. Where did it go? Where did it go? Man, they walk fast. I walk slow, either way. Here, another bamboo crossing bridge. Some steps up here. Woo, look at that. As I said, danger, the water is run real fast. Strong, rapid water. No food or drink allowed. No littering. Stuff like that. There's some big rock over there. That's the rock. That is my sister Silk up there on the top of the rock there. She and her husband come along with me on the trip. There's another view right here. Water. Very strong, ladies and gentlemen. This is called Maeya. It's our first stop since we drove 9 hours to get here, and it's worth driving with our first stop. We got a lot of places to go during our 1 week vacation here in northern Thailand. Maeya is located in Chengmai, Thailand. It's northern, right below Chiang Rai. Go to Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son. They also have security camera over there, right there, shooting up the, pointing up to the mountain to see waterfall, to see if anybody climb up there, I guess. I stand on the top of one rock. Maeya Waterfall. Now we are walking back to where we came from, the car parking lot, I guess. For those who come over here, watch out for the rocks. I believe it'll be very slippery when it's wet, if it rain or something. So be careful. I'm going down the hill now. There you have it, my friends. Our next stop would be Thailand, the highest peak in Thailand, which is located in Chengmai, Thailand as well. That will be our next stop. And thank you for watching the clip. Don't forget to click like and share this video and click subscribe. I thank you for your support. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.